Welcome to this guide on Kubernetes Ingress Controllers. In this video, we'll explore how to manage external access to services running inside your Kubernetes cluster. We'll cover three major Ingress controller implementations: NGINX, Traefik, and HAProxy. Each of these tools provides unique capabilities for routing traffic, handling SSL certificates, and load balancing your applications. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key differences between these controllers and know which one to choose for your specific use case. An Ingress controller is a specialized load balancer that manages external HTTP and HTTPS access to services running inside a Kubernetes cluster. Think of it as a smart gateway that sits at the edge of your cluster. It routes incoming traffic based on hostnames and URL paths, directing requests to the appropriate services. Ingress controllers handle SSL and TLS termination, which means they decrypt encrypted traffic before forwarding it to your applications. They also provide load balancing across multiple pod replicas, ensuring that traffic is distributed evenly and your applications remain highly available. NGINX is the most popular and widely adopted Ingress controller in the Kubernetes ecosystem. It's built on the proven NGINX web server, which has been trusted for decades for its stability and efficiency. NGINX offers a rich feature set including advanced routing capabilities, rate limiting, authentication mechanisms, and URL rewrites. There are two versions available: the community open source version and NGINX Plus, which is a commercial offering with enterprise support. NGINX uses an annotation-driven approach, meaning you configure its behavior by adding specific annotations to your Kubernetes ingress resources. This makes it flexible and powerful for handling complex routing scenarios. Let's look at a practical example of an NGINX ingress resource. This YAML configuration defines how traffic should be routed. We start by specifying the API version and kind as ingress. In the metadata section, we give it a name, in this case, Web App Ingress, and we add an annotation for NGINX to rewrite the target path. The spec section contains the routing rules. Here, we define a host web app, example, com, and specify that requests to the path app should be forwarded to a service called Web App Service on port 80. When a user visits web app, example, com/app, the NGINX Ingress controller will route that traffic to the appropriate backend service running in your cluster. Traefik is a modern, cloud-native edge router built specifically for dynamic environments. One of its standout features is automatic service discovery, which means it can detect new services in your cluster and configure itself without requiring manual restarts. Traefik comes with a built-in dashboard that provides real-time monitoring and visualization of your traffic flows. It integrates seamlessly with Let's Encrypt, automatically provisioning and renewing SSL certificates for your domains. Traefik also supports middleware, which allows you to chain multiple processing steps together for tasks like authentication, rate limiting, and header manipulation. This makes Traefik ideal for microservices architectures, where services are constantly being added, updated, or removed. Here's an example of a Traefik ingress resource. The structure is similar to NGINX, but with Traefik-specific annotations. We define the API version and kind, then in the metadata we add an annotation to specify the router entry points. In this case, we're using WebSecure, which tells Traefik to handle HTTPS traffic. The spec section defines that traffic coming to app.example.com should be routed to a service named Web App Service on port 8080. Traefik will automatically discover this service, configure the routing rules, and begin forwarding traffic. The path is set to, with a prefix path type, meaning all requests to this host will be directed to the backend service. HAProxy is an enterprise-grade load balancer known for its exceptional performance, reliability, and low resource consumption. HAProxy has been battle-tested in production environments for decades, powering some of the world's highest traffic websites. It excels at handling large volumes of requests with minimal CPU and memory usage, making it extremely cost-effective in cloud environments. HAProxy provides advanced load balancing algorithms, including round-robin, least connections, and sticky sessions based on cookies or IP addresses. It includes comprehensive health checking capabilities to ensure traffic is only sent to healthy backend pods. HAProxy also offers real-time statistics and detailed monitoring, giving you deep visibility into your traffic patterns and application performance. Let's examine an HAProxy ingress resource configuration. Similar to the previous examples, we define the API version and kind. In the metadata section, we add HAProxy-specific annotations. The load balance annotation is set to round-robin, which distributes traffic evenly across backend pods in a circular fashion. The check annotation is set to true, enabling health checks to ensure traffic only goes to healthy pods. The spec section defines that requests to API, example, COM should be routed to the service named API Service on port 3000. HAProxy will monitor the health of the backend pods and automatically remove unhealthy ones from the rotation, ensuring high availability for your application. Let's compare these three ingress controllers side by side. NGINX is best suited for general-purpose production workloads. It has moderate complexity and benefits from the largest community, which means extensive documentation and support resources. Traefik is ideal for microservices and dynamic environments. It's easy to get started with and has a rapidly growing community. Traefik's automatic service discovery makes it perfect for environments where services change frequently. HAProxy excels in high-performance scenarios where low resource consumption is critical. It is moderate to high complexity in configuration, but is strongly focused on enterprise use cases. HAProxy delivers the fastest performance with the lowest CPU usage, making it the go-to choice for demanding production environments. So how do you choose the right ingress controller for your needs? If you're starting a new project and want something proven and reliable, NGINX is an excellent choice. It has extensive documentation, a large community, and handles most use cases well. If you need automatic service discovery and a dynamic configuration that adapts as your services change, choose Traefik. Its built-in dashboard and automatic lets encrypt integration make it developer-friendly and easy to manage. For performance-critical applications where every millisecond matters and resource efficiency is paramount, deploy HAProxy. It delivers maximum speed with minimal resource consumption. Finally, for enterprise production environments that require commercial support and service-level agreements, consider NGINX Plus or HAProxy Enterprise. These commercial versions provide additional features, guaranteed support, and peace of mind for mission-critical applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.